Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to toTinyLeaf. Today, we're exploring the colorful and diverse world of bromeliads. From striking bracts to sculptural air plants, I'm going to show you 10 amazing bromeliad varieties that can bring a touch of the tropics to any space. Let's dive right in. First up is Guzmania lingulata. Known for its vibrant, long-lasting bracts, this classic bromeliad instantly adds a splash of tropical color wherever it's placed. It's a favorite for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Next, we have Guzmania bromeliifolia. This variety offers a unique twist on the classic form, with its distinctive color palette and slightly different shape, making it a standout in any collection. Moving on to Aechmea fasciata, also known as the Silver Vase Bromeliad. Its striking silvery leaves and sculptural form make it a true conversation starter. It's perfect for modern interiors and adds an elegant touch. Right alongside is Aechmea Blue Rain. This cultivar is celebrated for its cool-toned inflorescence and dramatic appearance, ideal for those looking to make a bold statement in their plant collection. Next up, Vriesea splendens, famously known as the flaming sword bromeliad. Its dramatic sword-like flower spike is sure to catch the eye and add a fiery focal point to your decor. Also in the Vriesea family is Vriesea carinata. This variety boasts bold, textured foliage and a distinctive inflorescence, perfect for those who appreciate a mix of texture and color. Seventh on our list is Neoregelia carolini. Its flat, colorful rosette and bright central cup create a stunning display that's ideal for adding a pop of color to any space. Next, meet Billbergia nutans, also known as Queen's Tears. Its arching pendulous leaves and unique blooms add a graceful, cascading element, perfect for brightening up indoor spaces. Number 9 is Tillandsia ionantha, a favorite among air plant enthusiasts. This bromeliad is soil-free and known for its striking color changes, making it a fun and versatile addition to your collection. Last but not least, we have Tillandsia xerographica. With its large sculptural form and silvery, dramatic appearance, this air plant truly stands out as a piece of living art in any home or office. And there you have it, 10 stunning bromeliad varieties that can transform your space into a tropical paradise. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow, and share to toTinyLeaf for more plant care tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!